Greetings! Today we're going to learn about how you can use ImageFrame and also how to use invisible item frames to make interesting item displays in your base. ImageFrame is a special plugin that trusted players gain access to. The reason it is trusted only is to prevent the uploading of vulgar material onto this server. Let's begin with how to make a custom image. It's survival friendly, so you will need a map for it. No cheating. Next, in your browser, go to imgur.com as shown here. Click New Post. Then, find your file. Once you have your file, you can drag and drop it to upload it. Then, right-click and select Copy Image Link. Make sure it's Copy Image Link. Do not do this one. Only use Copy Image Link. Now what you're going to want to do is do /ImageFrame, create, and then choose a name for yourself. Let's call it Portrait. Then, paste this URL. Then, type the width and height of the map that you want to do. Since mine is a 128 by 128 pixel picture, I want to have it 1 wide and 1 tall. And you usually won't need to worry about that. Let's press enter. Now I have a nice portrait of myself, which I will put up on my wall. But what if you want to get another picture of your face, or whatever picture you've uploaded? Simply do /ImageFrame get and the name. Note that this is also survival friendly, so if you run out of maps, it's not going to work. Now, let's move on to how you can get invisible item frames. There's a special command you can run called /get invisible item frame. If you have item frames in your inventory, it will take one away and turn it into an invisible item frame. For instance, let's put a minecart here. You can see, here's the cool block display. Note that this is also survival friendly, so if you don't have item frames, it will not let you run it. That's all for how to use ImageFrame, and hopefully you can get around to creating some cool pictures on this server.